In this video, we'll be learning how to play the pyramid card game in the foundation phase for grades 2 and 3. The materials needed for this game is a pack of playing cards. The purpose of the game is to add two numbers together to get to either 14 or 15 and to foster teamwork. How to play the game: we require two learners working together in this game, and they will look at a pyramid of 15 cards, find pairs that will bring them to either the sum of 14 or 15. In this game, an ace is regarded as 1, and a jack counts for 11, a queen for 12, and a king for 13. Now let's start playing the game. First thing you need to do is to lay out the cards in a pyramid formation until you have 15 cards. Now that you have 15 cards and laid the excess pile to one side face down, you can try and make the combinations. Notice in this instance that we have a 10 and a 5, which gives you, yes, it gives you 15. So we can put those to one side. We're now looking for another combination and find a 9 and a 6. That will also give you 15, and we can put that aside. So we're now looking to add two more cards together that can give us either 14 or 15, and we find a 10 plus a 5, which will give us 15. We are doing very well at the moment and have 9 cards left to find pairs. We also find a king, and wait for it, oh yes, the king is 13, goes with a 2 to give us 15. So there we have a 13 plus 2 equals 15. We can now find the queen, which is 12, to go with the 3. 12 plus 3 equals, yes, 15 yet again. We now have a king and an ace. 13 for the king, and the ace is 1. That gives us a total of 14, and we can put that aside. Now we cannot make any more combinations of 14 or 15. Now the learners pick up a 10, but do not see that they can match that with the 4 to make 14. They do, however, pick up a 9 and match that with a 6 to make 15. Now the learners have taken many cards from the pile, and they find an 8 which matches with a 7. 8 plus 7 gives them 15, and now they're trying to find something to go with the 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, and that is not going to give us 14 or 15. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, but jack is worth 11, and that plus 4 is equal to, yes, 15, and that is now the end of the game. We hope that you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more, please visit our website www.timca.org or our YouTube channel, TIMCA Global. Thanks for watching.